How is life expectancy calculated for different ages? Imagine you're trying to figure out how many more years someone might live based on their current age. That's what calculating life expectancy at different ages is all about. It all starts with looking at death rates, which tell us how likely people of certain ages are to pass away. These rates are gathered from detailed data on how many people die in each age group and how many people are in those groups. Scientists then create something called a life table. Think of it like a detailed map that shows the chances of surviving from one age to the next. They assume that deaths happen evenly throughout the year, so they estimate the average time someone might die within an age interval. For example, they assume most deaths happen around the middle of the year for ages above infancy. Using this information, they calculate the probability of surviving each age. These probabilities are then used to build the life table, which tracks a hypothetical group of people from birth or any specific age. The table applies the death probabilities to see how many people would survive to each future age. From this, they can figure out the average number of years a person of a certain age can expect to live. Life expectancy at birth shows the average lifespan if current death rates stay the same. For older ages, it tells us how many more years a person of that age can expect to live. In the United States, this calculation is based on data collected by the National Center for Health Statistics and the Census Bureau. They use special techniques to smooth out fluctuations in death data and adjust for differences like race and ethnicity. These calculations help us understand trends over time, like if people are living longer or if health problems are causing more deaths at certain ages. They also help in planning for health care, retirement, and social services. For example, knowing how long people at retirement age might live helps design better pension systems. In short, life expectancy at different ages is figured out by analyzing death rates, creating a survival map called a life table, and estimating how many more years a person can expect to live based on current mortality patterns. This process helps us see how health and longevity are changing across the population.